Hello, here we are today at our open house, 6012 Aubrey Lee Lane in Crestview, Florida. Come check it out. So here we have our large, long driveway. We've got a gate on that side. We have a gate on this side where you can pull a trailer through or whatever you need. I gotta untangle that flag again. But let's go on inside. When you enter the open house, if you can scan right here, this will give you all the property information, including disclosures. Here we are. This home features tall ceilings, updated lighting and fixtures throughout. All open kitchen, living room, dining area. Bedroom number 1 is being utilized as a gym currently. Bedroom number 2 is being utilized as an office. Bedroom number 3 is being utilized as an office as well. Bedroom number 4 is being utilized as a bedroom. Here is your guest bathroom. Shower tub combination in there. As we continue on, beautiful kitchen area, granite countertops. Your laundry area here. Out to your garage. Here is your lovely master bedroom. Very sizable. This is one of the largest master bedrooms I've seen. With a master bathroom, double vanity sink here, private toilet area, separate garden tub, and your shower. And here is your walk-in closet. Very spacious. If you can't make it out to our open house to see it today, contact me. I'd love to show you this beautiful place in person. Realtor Sonja Rankin, Realty One Group, Emerald Coast, aka Realtor Rankin. My contact information is attached.